Here Scott's routing the strap up through the tensioner box through the top yoke assembly and bringing it back down, pulling it evenly so everything falls well we're mounting the door. Then he's installing the springs, pulls the yoke down, puts the springs in, attaches them to the bottom hooks, and then tightens the bolt. Once all the lift straps and latch straps are installed, the door is ready to be mounted. We pick that up, mount it to the building. That part's not shown in this video, but we do have another video showing the mounting process. Then Scott is mounting the ratchet brackets onto the building columns. So he's mounting that in. On the interior side, he does hammer the lag screw in so that it can go through the tin. And then he repeats this on the other side to mount that ratchet bracket. When he gets to the other side, he's measuring it out so that the ratchet brackets are at the correct position on the column. While he's doing this as well, he's leveling and making sure that the yoke is level with the ratchet. Again, hammering it and then screwing it. And then with the door in the open position, the door has to be open for this next step. We're setting the top limits, and then you install the bolt onto the strap latch and the strap latch drum. The bolt needs to match the same position as the lift drum. So you see Scott check that there at the beginning, and then he wraps the latch strap around the drum 3 times. He pulls the strap tight, pulls it all the way through so that's nice and even and tracks well while we're doing the other steps in this process. Then he routes it through the ratchet there on the ratchet bracket, and we move to the other side of the door. Again, repeating all the same steps. Again, we want to make sure that the bolt matches the position on the lift drum. Again, he pulls the strap tight, feeds it through the ratchet on the ratchet bracket, and then we fully close the door, keeping tension on the straps so that it wraps nicely around the drum, and the positioning of the yoke is a little easier. So here Scott's lowering the door. He's on this side, his dad's on the other side, keeping tension on the other strap latch. Then Scott's setting the yoke position. It needs to be 12 inches from the top of the tensioner box. You can see him pulling it, and then he uses the wrench to wrap the strap around the ratchet a number of times. And then when he's done and has the tension set properly, he's cutting the excess strap and tucking it in so it's not hanging there. You can do this, or you can leave it on and have an excess strap. So then Scott goes to cycle the door, make sure everything's set properly. Here he needs to adjust the bottom limit so it's not unwinding the lift straps as much as it is. And then he just cycles the door a few more times, making fine adjustments. Then Scott goes to install the shields, and at this time the door install is complete, the latches are complete. We're just going to cycle the door a few more times, make sure everything's timed properly, and then we're done for the day. So this install took 4.5 hours, start to finish. I hope you found this video educational. Like and subscribe for more content from Schweiss stores, and leave me a comment if you'd like to see something specific.